By now, you most likely understand the basics of Google Forms. Hopefully, you have used Google Forms in your classroom, either to make a simple quiz or even a graded quiz. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to talk a little bit deeper about the menus in Google Forms. So if you will look at a general form, you know the themes and the paint palette, how to preview it, and your settings. On the right-hand side, when you begin to create your Google Forms, you can add a question, you can add titles and descriptions, images, video, and sections. It's the sections that we are going to talk about with conditional forms. Whenever you create a section, it is going to split your form into various sections. Okay, so what I've done is I've thought out about how I want my forms to look, and so I've created 3 different sections. I've created one for newbies, which is where you should be right now if you're watching this video. There's an intermediate section, which will be the next step, and then there's an advanced section. Once you have your sections, then you need to know how will the user get to that section. In order to do that, you will need to begin with a multiple choice question. So in the beginning of this Google form, I told you that we're going to be learning about Google conditional forms. So you chose an answer based on your comfort level. Are you a newbie? Are you an intermediate? And are you an advanced? So I simply had a multiple choice question. Whenever you have a multiple choice question, you're given a menu option down here, and one of those menu options is to go to a section based on an answer. So once I chose that, you will see that if you chose newbie, then you will be going to the section 2 newbie. And as you can see, it shows all my other sections. If I go to intermediate, if you chose intermediate, then you'll go to the intermediate section. And if you're an advanced, then you'll go to the advanced section. And so whenever you chose newbie, now you're in the newbie section. So these 2 options, section and then go to section based on answer, are 2 very important options when you're looking at a conditional form.